Hi guys, today I want to show you how to install a scope rail for the Steyr LP-10, LP-2 variant of pistols. Should also work for the LP-50 multi-shot pistol as well. So here's the scope rail installed on the LP-2 compact with the red dot at the back. That's real nice. And here's a 5-shot group at 10 meters through the scope. It's only supported by 1 point, so I'm pretty sure that's mostly due to myself. So let's get into how to install the scope mount. We'll use the LP-10 as an example. So as you can see, it's just like it comes from the factory with the iron backside. And for the scope rail kit, you get a base, a Picatinny style rail, and you also get a few screws and hex nuts to mount the scope rail. Beside that, you need a 2.5mm Allen key, and you also need a 2mm Allen key for the rail to base screw. So first of all, we need to take off the back iron sight from your pistol. It's a 2.5mm Allen key, so just hold it lightly. There we go. So the whole back iron sight comes out in one piece, and it will expose a screw hole which your new scope rail will mount on top of. So in interest of time, I already mounted the scope rail onto the base. So all you need to do is slide it onto your pistol, and using a included screw to mount the base onto your pistol. So one thing you need to be careful of is you can see there's a little support here. That little support, it's supposed to go over the top of your pistol like this. That's the only way you can line up the screw hole. There we go. So tighten up the screw. You don't need to make it too tight, just hand tight. Should be more than enough. Yeah, there we go. Let me focus. That's a close-up of how it should look like. You can see the little protrusion. It's leaning against the pistol. With the front, it's creating 2 points of contact with the pistol, and the screw, it's holding it down. So that's how you create a stable platform. Because of the material, if you force it, you'll see some flex in the mount, but it should come back right down into its original position, so it shouldn't affect the zero of your pistol. And what's left to do is you just need to mount your favorite red dot sight onto your pistol In my case, I'll get a compact red dot like this. Just slide it on. Let me focus. Hit another hex key. Same thing with those screws. You don't need to tighten them too much. Just hand tight should be more than enough. That's all you need. There we go. So we got a red dot on top of an LP-10. Let's hook through it. There we go. Thanks for watching.